Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video we are doing a crafty haul. I have my order from a cherry on top, then I went to Joanns. I actually got lucky at Walmart, and then I have some things I picked up at Hobby Lobby. They had their clearance sale, so I got some things, and then also I ordered a few things from the summer sale from Heidi Swap. So let's get started. So from cherry on top, I did add 3 more colors of the Dina Wakley paints. These are colors I did not have. So blackberry, which is a deep plum purple, and then Erice is a lighter purple, and then I also picked up sky. From the Tim Holtz line, I got a lot of Tim Holtz. I got what's the name of this one? Volt Scribbly Butterfly. So Volt Scribbly Butterfly. So it has the impression to get the outline solid and then the detailed overlay on it. Loved it. And it's a good size. I have Volt Funky Floral Wreath. So that's the wreath, and it comes with like all the pieces to make all the little flowers on top of it too. What I like about this one, and which I learned watching his videos, is that this was the spring one. Oh, just the floral one, but already he's come out with the fall wreath, and I'm assuming maybe there'll be a winter one, so probably the little ornamental little things change. So on the fall one, it's probably, you know, like leaves and sticks more, and then probably in the winter maybe poinsettias or some ferns or pine pine needles and stuff. So it'll come out with each one, but you know me and a good floral, so I got the floral one. This one is Volt Wildflowers. So I believe in his series he has 2 other sets of wildflowers. So it's like Wildflowers 1, Wildflowers 2. And I do believe in the Volt series, which I guess all these come from, I didn't even realize that, is that I guess he takes like 3 from one set and 3 from number 2 in order to get like a little compilation one from it. And then from the Tim Holtz new release, I did get the signature, it's called, Sign Painter. So it's an alpha. I love it. And then this one is called Deconstructed. And I just love this one, and I loved this one. I loved all of it, so that's why I got it. And they're the big red ones, so that's really fun. So these are the new release, and then this was from his previous capsule, Volt, whatever. Then there's a sales section. If you haven't gone through, like, it's called either like daily deals or just the sales section on the cherry on top, is where I got the rest of these all to new sets. So how does it go? This and this. So this was a set with the stamp and the layered coloring stencils to get it, and then the detailed stamp, and then also the die cut to make it super fun. And then I picked up, this one's called Magnolia Grand Floral. Just loved it. Heat emboss it and then watercolor it. And then this was a bundle too, which came with the die cut. I want to say it's the die cut, the coloring stencil, and then the stamp. So that was really cool. This one was a set, and I just had to pick it up. And I think this one is like a branch. So let's get out of the bundle. So it comes with the bin, and it is called Build a Garden Magnificent Branch. So yes, it is the stencils to color it. Oh no, so it's just the stencils and the stamp. And so that's the big stamp. Magnificent Branch. I just thought it was really cool and really big. So yeah, I don't know if there was a die cut to this one, but that is what I picked up from a cherry on top to do design team projects and to play with further. Then similar to the Tim Holtz line, so Tim Holtz's recent collections have been oh so fantastic, and I have been dabbling in it, but I didn't get the full collections. But they do these exclusive sets for Joanns. So, and don't get me wrong, this one, the top half, so it's half and half on the stencil. The top half, I know it's called brush strokes, and I did have it in my cart at a cherry on top. But once I picked up this, I was like, oh great. And then it has I think it was some sort of like sentiment stamp. So it gives you a little sprinkling of all of them. And I thought that was fantastic. And they are, I want to say the price point is like $15, maybe a little less. But I used a coupon on one and then paid full price for the others because I just had to have them before they sold out. So then you can see it's like a grungy paint splatter and then some honeycomb like chain link fence. And then it has the, almost like what I picked up last month. I think it was called Pampleon. So it's like a grungy paint splatter and then some honeycomb chain link fence. And then it has the, almost like what I picked up last month. I think it was called Pampleon. So it's like a grungy paint splatter and then some honeycomb chain link fence. And then it has the, almost like what I picked up last month. I think it was called but it could have been the moth one too. But they're each individual stamps. So you see I got the little beetles and the moths and butterfly perhaps and a bee. So that one was really cool too. And then I did love this one. I forgot, this one was called just Botanical Squares, I believe. It was larger as far as scale. These are a little bit smaller, so maybe like 2 by 3. But I was okay with that because I was like, the bigger ones are great. They were like huge. But to have little baby ones of it, I almost thought was better. And so you get like a half a scribbly stencil and then a good polka dot. So there's like the little mini one. So I just love those. And I was like, I'm in my Tim Holtz era. I'm embracing it. Let's buy all 3 of them. And I do believe there were 3 other ones that I stepped away from at this point, but who knows? I might go back and get them. Let's be honest. Then luckily I was at Walmart, and Walmart had a clearance section. I happened to walk by it, not even going down clearance section, and they had these stickers sitting there. And I was like, what is that? I spotted this one first, and I was like, that's Amy Tangerine. What is that? And they were all priced at $2. So I was able to get 2 sets. They had other sets, but then there were only 1. And I've learned my lesson with this many years of scrapbooking. If I can't get 2 sets, then I'm not buying it, because I know I'll run out of A's and E's first and then won't be able to really use the alpha stamp. So this one is called Happy, and I do believe this is from a former Paige Evans collection, but I could be wrong. But it's tiny and I could use it. And then this one just seems way old because of the packaging. And it's just called Sentiment. And I just got 2 there too. That was kind of similar font. And so yeah, it's silver. So I got a gold set and a silver set. I thought that was great. And then this is a former Amy Tangerine, and it's called the Lucky Ones. So this side is the gold and the other side was the white. And I actually believe I still have this set, because I think I only have like this Sentiment left. Like I already used all of these, and I think on this side I have maybe the Lucky still sitting on my sheet, but all the rest have been used. So it was good to kind of get a refill of that for only $2. Let me show you the rest of what I purchased. Okay, then from what is it, Heidi Swap, she had a summer sale recently, and I stopped my subscription to her this year, so I haven't been subscribed, but I resubscribed, y'all, to the Stamp Society, because this was the stamp set, and I couldn't let go. That little camera stamp up there. So this was, what are we in? We're in August. So this was July's Stamp Society. And all of these are layerable as she does and stack them on top. But for 20, because I signed up, it's $19.99 plus $1. So it's $21 a month to get a 6x8 stamp by her. And I'm already, I got this month one, which was a nice fun alpha. So I'm already happy with the both that I got. So this one, when I got it to sign up for subscription, I was able to shop the summer sale and have it added to the box without any additional shipping charges. So then I got this stamp set, which is called, I want to say this was Shadow. So it has the classic alpha, but then you can see that the coordinating one has the drop shadow to it, which I thought was really fun. And then I also got, and these were like $10, maybe $5. Like it was like super sale. And then I also picked up this stamp, which was the one that looks like the Mylar balloons in the numbers. So cute. And honestly, I thought instantly, I'm going to foil these. You know what I mean? And what I loved about it too was because, I want to do a birthday album for Valentina that just has birthday pictures. And I thought I could use this per year on the age she turns. And then also in the birthday story kit from Allie Edwards, she used this sort of font in a number card. So I thought, again, a repeating element, and I just loved it. And plus December Daily is coming around, so why not have a little balloon number 2? Always get numbers for that project coming up. So then I just added these like little puffy emoji circles, and then I got some like acetate star shapes. Then I purchased 3 former kits. So this is like the Stop the Blur kits. So this one I got because of the little emojis, as you can see. And then this little camera, smartphone notepad was so cute. And I just love the colors. It comes with washi. They come with like little like speech bubble cards, little pockets, alpha, speech bubbles. And then also the stamp is really cute. Oh yeah, the emoji stamp. And these kits were either $5 or $10. That's why I picked up a few of them, just because they were super cute. And then I like this stamp. So look, it's all like the ing words. in this one with some label stickers, alpha stickers, some little booklets, it seems, butterfly die cuts, a currently notepad, which was nice. And it seems to be like a rainbow notepad also. And then a rainbow washi tape. So when they're on that much of a discount, I love stocking up. And look, I even get the pencil case kind of thing too. And then this one was just all black and white. It had tabs with their 3x4. Black and white. We got little folder corners, a little notepad, a little note card, some labels. Black and white washi with stars and alpha, and then more little pocket numbers. Super cute. Then she always talks about this, does she call it plastic paper? So I got a couple sheets of plastic paper. It's a transparency, but honestly they were like 50 cents. And she always uses them, and I was like, what is her version of it? It is a transparency, so honestly that was nothing special, but I still picked it up to see what she always uses. And then I got another one of these. If you know, these are the ones that fit her notebooks in it. So like, for instance, I am working on my daughter's, school year insert. So these fit this perfectly. She didn't have the pink, which is the one I wish I had, but they had the gray. And so I threw this in too, because I believe this was like $15, maybe $10 on that website sale too. I should have gotten two, but I was like, let me just get one for now. And so I'm already back on the Heidi Swap crafting train, and this is super fun. So let me push all this to the side so I can put it away, and let me just show you what I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Okay, and then at Hobby Lobby, I definitely scored in the Tim Holtz Ranger section, ribbon, and then a box of glitter. Okay, so let's get the glitter. So the glitter, I literally cannot believe. These big ones were $1.12. So I got a gold, a silver, and black. $1.12. Like, what? These are the big ones. And then the smaller ones, oh no, this one's still like a medium size one. The mediums were 87 cents. Like, shut up. This one's called Mermaid Party. This one is called just light blue. And it was only certain colors. It wasn't all the colors. This one is Tropical Social. And then this one is Aqua. Actually, and this one says 74 cents. And then the little guys, these, well, some of them were okay. This one was $1.24, whatevs. This one's called Retro Flare. This one is 62 cents, Sparkling Purple. This one was Lagoon Shimmer. And then lastly, this one was 87 cents. They were all kind of weird. Party Blend. This is called Majesty. So cute. And honestly, we're a glitter loving family. Okay, so, and they're kind of bigger, and I also thought of shaker pockets, because this is like bigger sized glitter flakes compared to like this is like normal glitter. And then I will never run out of gold, silver, or black for any projects throughout elementary school. Then we got glitter paper. This one was $5.24, assorted colors, 36 sheets. It's all glitter. And I always go through this, especially for like letter alpha cutting with my manual die cut machine. I always buy it for Christmas, like a sheet of, red, green, and silver. So, and then now Valentina's getting into all of my glitter cardstock, so I just had to get that one. Then for ribbon, they were 97 cents, no, 74, 99 cents. I mean, everything's less than $1. So I got a gray and white gingham. I got just a classic like goldy one. This one I thought for December daily. It's like tinsel and red pom-poms. We got an orange for 49 cents and like a red, like shimmery kind of colors. A blue and white gingham. A black and white stripe. This one was 74 cents. This one is like a rose gold. This one was kind of open, but I still took it because it looked like the yellow, this one. So this was like more pinky rose gold, and that one's more yellow. Hard to see on camera, but it is. So this one's like a rose gold, and then a gold, and then yellow. And actually, and even for my recent summer album, I was looking for yellow ribbon, and I had none. So now I got like this little, almost like grosgrain with glitter on it. I was like, there goes, I need yellow. There we have it. And then look what I got. So the oddball one is just the Bow Bunny stamp. This one was 99 cents. So cute. And honestly, it's only $1.99. So Bo Bunny is not that expensive. So it was half off at 97 cents. Look, I have my first set of watercolor pencils. I don't have any of them. Once again, half off. So they were $20 normally. I got it for 10. And you know, I've been playing with some die cuts. So the paper dolls, they had the minis and the paper dolls, $3.74. Again, they're not expensive. So everything was like half off for clearance. So I picked up those. The more alcohol inks, I want to play with them more. $5.49 for the 3-pack and $4.74 for the 2 gold and silver. Distress crayons, $2.99. I got the metallic pack. And then these are all embossing powders. Now, I do believe, yes, I think I have already clear. Clear is just extra, but they were $2.74 a piece. So I got the clear, but I don't have snowflake tinsel. I thought that was great for the holidays. Also green tinsel, hard to see. And then I have bridal tinsel, and I have purple and the blue. And they were all $2.74. So $5, $10, $15, and I just got 6 embossing powders. Oh, so fun. So that was everything I picked up at Hobby Lobby. If you haven't gone for their sale, check to see what's available, because I did get this last weekend and I was with Toots. So we got lucky there. So now I have plenty of glitter supplies, plenty of things to play with me and my daughter, and crafting time to do. So thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. Give this video a thumbs up as always, and until next time, bye everyone.